Hello everybody, we will get stretching our middle split, and how to do that I will show you some exercises which help you to do that. So stay with me and we'll get started. So first what we will do, we will take it in this position and start to do press for warm up our legs. So sit 1, 2, 3, change legs, take it 1, take it 2, take it 3 and sit 1, 2, 3. Good work. Let's take down on the floor. Take legs up and work it firstly 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's work it with 2 legs. Take it 1, 2, 3 and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly take breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe, and write me a good comment. I'm going to watch my other video. So bye bye.